Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must know your Apple ID password, have device passcode available, and access to two-factor codes. Once ready, make sure you've backed up critical data and connected to Wi-Fi. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top to enter Apple ID options. This first actionable step puts you into the right menu so you can manage iCloud, media and purchases, and password and security without delay. Proceed once you see your account page. You now work through the middle steps methodically. Tap iCloud and toggle off services you want to stop syncing, and decide whether to keep a local copy when prompted. Next, go back and open Media and Purchases to sign out if you want to disassociate purchases. Then open Password and Security to disable iCloud keychain or revoke app-specific passwords. Make sure to read on-screen prompts. They explain data removal versus local retention, so you don't lose anything unintentionally. To finish, scroll to the bottom and tap Sign Out, enter your Apple ID password, and choose which data to keep on the device. Once signed out, restart the device to ensure system processes update and background sync stops. If you get an error, make sure two-factor authentication codes are available, check your internet connection, and confirm the Apple ID is active by logging into Appleid. Apple.com. If problems persist, try removing the account from another trusted device or contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.